Hello everybody, today is January the 6th, 2026, and Mark is here this morning to start painting the rest of the parts that go onto the car. He's already got the car painted, it looks beautiful, it's sitting over here. We gotta let it sit for a few days and then he's gonna buff it. But for now, he's gotta go in and paint all the little parts, and there's a million little parts in that booth. It's pretty crowded in there. It's gonna be kind of tough for him to fit around everything, but he says he can make it work, so I got confidence in him.
He's gonna make it work.
He did an awesome job on the car, so I know these parts will turn out the same way. So as soon as we get suited up here, he's gonna tack it off one more time, and he'll start spraying the sealer on first, and then the base coat, clear coat. Okay, so Mark just finished the last coat of clear on all the parts for the car, so let's go ahead and take a look. Wow, beautiful. Turned out beautiful. Okay, well, this wraps up this video. The next video will be showing the cutting and buffing on the car and the parts, which Mark said we got to wait a few days to do that. So it's pretty much be waiting just till we can do that. And then once we get done with that, then I can start putting the car back together. But I'm very happy with the way the paint turned out. It looks awesome, the exact color I wanted. And I'm really excited about starting putting it back together, start making it look like a car again. So I appreciate everybody watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.